Welcome to the unboxing of the Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin. Let's dive in. This is the user manual for your easy experience with range of accessories. Inside the box, you'll find the Forbes SmartClean Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, the AutoBin dock for charging and automatic dust collection. Remove the protective strips from the sensors. This is the mop holder along with 2 mop pads. The accessories include cleaning brush, HEPA filter, side brushes, spacious dust bags for hassle-free maintenance. Place all accessories and let's begin. Dust box for easy dust disposal. On flipping the robo, you'll find the main roller brush. Gently attach the side brushes on the designated holes. Fix the mopping pads as shown. Remove the protective strips. Attach the dust bag. The AutoBin dock is designed to collect dust automatically. That's everything you get with the Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin. Enjoy your experience.